So today you had a chance to experiment a little bit with fractions and comparing different fractions and creating different fractions. What did you do and how did it help you understand different fraction amounts? Allie, what did you do?
What I did is, for the fractions, is I used to know about fractions, but I usually forget a lot about it. So what I did is I started out because I started remembering that, oh yeah, it's a circle or a square or something, a shape. You divide it up. So what I started off with was a circle, and then I started remembering that fractions are like 3/4 or 5/10 or 5/10.
Okay.
So when I put down 3/4, I put a circle.
Yeah?
With fours in it, with a line going down, a line going across.
Yes?
And I shaded in 3.
Okay.
So that helped me kind of remember like what fractions actually are.
Okay, so then I'm wondering, you said you did 3/4. And according to what you told me, yours looks something like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you said you colored in 3? Okay, so now I'm going to do this. I'm going to compare this to the half. Which of those two fractions is closer to the number 1? Mark? How do you know that 3/4 is closer to the number 1, Mark?
Because there's more like area like that you can cover because you cut the circle into like more pieces, so you can cover more of it. But with half, you've only sliced down the middle, so there's less to cover.
Okay, can anyone else help explain what they think? Elise, what do you think?
A half is 2/4.
Yeah?
And so the one at the top, it's only 1/4. So
Oh, hold on, but sorry, the one at the top though, I was thinking in terms of the 3 that were shaded in. So if this one was 3/4 and you said a half is equal to what, Elise? Okay, so if you're comparing 3/4 to 2/4, which one is the one that's closer to the number 1? Is 2/4 closer to the number 1? Okay, here's what I would ask first. Let's look at this. We have 3/4, we have 2/4, and you said that a half is really like 2/4, right? So if that's true, what's another way I could write 1 in terms of quarters? Mark?
4/4.
Okay. So, if a 1 is equal to 4/4, and this is 2/4, and this is 3/4, which of those numbers is closer to 1? Ella? Why is 3/4 closer to 1?
because if you take the 4, it goes 2 3/4. So you already see that.
So, if we were to make like a little number line, and this is 1, which is also 4/4, this one here would be 3/4. This one here would be, everybody? Half, which is also 2. And this one would be like? So which one is the closest, at least, to the number 1? If this is 1 here, which one is the closest then of those options to the number 1? Yeah? That's right. Raise your hand if looking at it on the number line helps. And sometimes drawing it on a number line might help as well.